Moving on to our hi-hat. Before I open this up, what's the first thing you would imagine that I would do on an EQ of a hi-hat track? What do you think? Absolutely, high-pass filter all day long. Take that off. I could even probably make that a little bit steeper and probably move that up around, say, 1K or something like that. Okay, so I know that the curve is there, but you can see that it's starting to slope off around 1K. And then the next thing I've done is just added some sheen along the top end here. Let's listen to this hi-hat. I might have taken it off a little bit too high. Yeah. That's more like it. Let's listen to that sheen. Just a little bit of that, maybe a little smidge higher. So compare that. Yeah, I can hear a lot of low-end stuff going on when I drop that out, when I bypass that. So leaving that high-pass filter on, adding a little bit of sheen, that's really all I would do with the hi-hat. Let's bring these all in and have a listen. From the top. Okay, now we're starting to get a mix going. That hi-hat might be a little hot in the mix. We could do that in the mix a little bit later on. So let's move on to the toms.